Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we're going to talk about Landmark, the giant tourism promoting company that lost $180 million to Lagos Demolition and is now heading to the southeast, precisely Enugu State, for bigger things to come. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, one of the hallmarks of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration had been the demolition of Igbo-owned properties by his appointees, whether in Lagos or in Abuja. What his appointee in Lagos, by his appointee in Lagos, I mean the Lagos State governor, because for all intent and purpose, Sanwo-Olu was appointee of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And Sanwo-Olu, the governor of Lagos State, has demolished so much Igbo properties in Lagos. And even the Minister of Works was a former governor of Ebonyi State, have also pretended over the demolition of parts of the Landmark beach in Lagos. And in Abuja, Nyesom Wike is also doing his thing to ensure that Igbos are put in their place in Tinubu's administration. And I had been an advocate of saying that Igbos should diversify their investment away from the areas where they are not appreciated. And it is therefore come as a great news when I learned that the governor of Enugu State, Peter Mba, has partnered with the Landmark Africa Group, the brainchild of Paul Onwanibe, to create a bigger tourism geographic area, far better and bigger than what Paul Onwanibe lost in Lagos. That was a good development, and we are going to look at what this means and the signal it sends and why it should be sustained. You know, I had been an advocate that investment should be, Southeast investors should be looking towards the Southeast in their investment arrangement and plans. Because at the end of the day, as time will tell, it will be the investment that will matter most than any other investment. Because the way Nigeria is, tomorrow is uncertain. Don't be deceived by those who are telling you that Nigeria is indivisible. That's mere rhetoric. Anything can happen in Nigeria. The optics are not looking good. You know how Bayo Nanoga issued a threat to the Igbos that 2023 election should be the last time they should interfere in Lagos election. And you can see that demonstrate in the activities of the Tinubu administration in several ways. So anybody who think that putting all his eggs in Lagos or Abuja is just wasting his time. So what Paul Onwanibe is doing now with the support of the Enugu State government are the things that should be encouraged and supported, and it should be emulated, because that is the future. And it was one of the great men that helped in building Dubai that once said that if you build it, they will come. So the idea that it's only in Lagos you can build something and you make profit, it is not true. That's a lie from the pit of hell. If you build it, they will come. Dubai was nothing before it was built, and when it was built, people came. So if you build it, it will come. Now, Paul Onwanibe had been challenged to rebuild Nike Lake Resort. He has opportunity to develop Nike Lake Resort, a 150-acre piece of geographic space with scenic view that can rival anyone, anywhere in the world. He has 35 years lease on it. And I listened to him talk, and I could see what that place would look like in the next couple of months, in the next couple of years. I knew how the landmark resort was before Paul Onwanibe turned it around. It became a heaven on earth. It was a derelict piece of shit that nobody wanted. Paul Onwanibe bought the whole of that area in Lagos. Nobody needed it. It was a wasteland. He rejuvenated it, recreated it, and made it the most attractive tourism center in Africa, receiving over 4.5 million visitors annually, generating tax running into billions of naira for Lagos State government. Yet, they demolished big section of it, rendering thousands and thousands of people jobless. All for what purpose? After they demolished the place, they now realize, oh, the road, the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road, oh, is not supposed to have passed through there. We made a mistake. But they have done what they wanted to do. They have targeted him, as Sowore rightly pointed out in one podcast. He was the target to see that his asset was demolished. Have they paid him compensation? Have the Lagos State government paid compensation for that? Have the federal government paid compensation for that? They have not, or they have. We may never know. But what was on record was that he lost $180 million worth of investment to that demolition. That demolition shows that Nigeria is an unserious country in terms of doing business. It was the clearest indication that Tinubu was just wasting his time going to beg the international community to come and invest in Nigeria, when those who have already invested in Nigeria, their investments are not safe. But the good thing is that there is light at the end of the tunnel. And I was so excited about the way Paul was talking about this. When he was talking with some journalists, they were asking him, how is he going to be the Nickel Lake resort? And he was telling them that what he's going to do at Nickel Lake resort will make the Lagos landmark beach looks like a child's play. And I believe him totally, because I've seen what he did in Lagos. I've seen that land was literally a useless land, a swamp that served no purpose. He transformed it. He transformed it to the most visited beach in the whole of the sub-region. That was why when they were demolishing it, thinking that they want to punish him, countries were inviting him within the sub-region to come and relocate his headquarters to their country, because they know the impact of what he did, what he was able to do at the beach in Lagos. And of course, you know that going to Enugu to start this project is like a homecoming for Paul Onwanibe, who was also a graduate of architecture from the University of Nigeria, Enugu campus. So he's literally at home. And he has said that what he will do there will be mind-blowing, and I believe him. He has a fertile mind and fertile imagination. When I look at the Enugu, the Nickel Lake Resort, I couldn't imagine, even within my limited imagination, I know that as a creative person, Paul Onwanibe is going to do something magical at Enugu, Nickel Lake Resort Enugu. And that is going to rejuvenate the economy of Enugu and the surrounding and the whole of the southeast. It will become a hub for tourism, a hub for recreation. And that is how it starts. Just like Dubai, build it, they will come. That is all that is needed. The fallacy that you can only do all these things in Lagos will be broken with this. Of course, we know it's not true. People like us know that it's not true, or the hype about it. You just have to do it in Lagos. There are several examples to show that it's not true that it has to be in Lagos for you to build something to attract people. So it is an exciting report, and good enough. The governor of Enugu State is very committed to this project, and Paul Onwanibe is bringing in the private sector mindset to ensure that it's a subsidy. It's going to create tons and tons, thousands and thousands of jobs, just like much more than what happened in Lagos. Don't forget, right now, Paul Onwanibe of Landmark, he had been given a bigger space to operate. We are talking about 150 hectares. That was far bigger in several ways than what he had or what he has in Lagos. So he has a lot of space, and he's going to create magic. I'm absolutely sure of that. The good days are back in the tourism industry in the southeast, and we can't afford to wait longer for that to come. And Enugu State government need commendation for having the mindset to partner with Paul Onwanibe for this landmark development that's about to change the face of tourism in Southeast, in Nigeria, in West Africa, in Africa, and a major sport that the world would like to see. I don't know what to think about Paul Nwanibe's move to reactivate, to redesign, to revamp Nickel Lake Resort. And he has promised that it's good. What he will do there, will make what he did in Lagos look like a child's play. What do you think about that? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it hard and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.